Today, I have a ton of apples that I need to use up. And so I'm gonna make some homemade applesauce. One of the first tips of making really good applesauce is to use an assortment of apple varieties. Anything that is gonna be kind of crisp, have really good flavor that you love, a variety of tart apples and sweet apples is going to be perfect. Cut all of your apple chunks into similar size. They don't have to be pretty or anything like that, but if you can keep all of your chunks about the same size, then everything's gonna cook down about the same time. My pot is full, but it cooks down quite a bit. So I'm gonna turn this on to about medium heat, and I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of water. The other option with the liquid is to add like an apple cider juice or apple juice just to boost up that apple flavor. Tip number 3 is to not add too much liquid. The apples are gonna release their own liquid, so you don't want to end up with really runny applesauce. We're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. It's just gonna brighten up the flavors a little bit, really enhance that apple flavor. It's going to balance the sweetness as well. It's also going to help reduce any browning on the apples. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and I'm just gonna eyeball this. This is actually gonna enhance the sweetness. Then we're gonna add some spices. We're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove, which is my favorite spice. And then I'm gonna partially cover the pot, and I'm gonna let this simmer and let the apples cook down for 30 minutes, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. It's looking really good. The apples are starting to break down. We're gonna add brown sugar instead of white sugar. It's just gonna add a better layer of flavor than the white sugar would. If your pot's looking a little dry at this point, you can add a few splashes of water because we are gonna simmer it with the lid off for about another 15 minutes. All right, this is simmered and it looks so good. Oh man. I definitely want to save some out to serve as just like a dinner apples and cinnamon side dish. The other option, pop it in like a food processor or a really strong blender and blend it down so that you have more of like a commercial style applesauce. My mouth is watering so hard. The other option is to take like a potato masher and just mash until you have kind of a chunky texture. So I really hope you give this applesauce recipe a try in your kitchen. It helps you feel like a success. Have a wonderful week ahead.